There's where it's at. Over 30 years, man. 30 years sitting here. Hey YouTube, it's Bill, Flatbroke Garage. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thanks for coming. I hope you stick around. If you're a subscriber or you just watch the channel, thanks for coming back and watching. On my last video, I put up, there was an estate sale with a bunch of cars here, and I think 4 or 5 of them are 70s caddies. Another 5 of them are just miscellaneous 90s, 2000s cars. And one of them was a 77 Cougar station wagon. It just piqued my interest. You know, I don't need another project, and I'm not saying I'm getting this one, but I am here. We got a chainsaw. We're going to cut this thing down. We're going to drag it out of the woods, and I'm going to see if this one will start. You know, I don't know. I'm a sucker for the, you know, for the losers, I guess. But we're going to get it cut down. I think you remember, if you saw the last video, I opened the hood, and I don't like snakes. I mean, man, I don't like snakes at all. And there was a big snake skin in there. It freaked me out. So I hope whatever it is has moved on. Because I don't know what other wildlife is in there. It was something living under it and something nesting, and you know. So let's take a walk around the car one more time, and we'll get the chainsaw. We'll just start hacking. So as you can see, she's been here a while. I mean, these are some sizable trees. It has been hit. According to the owner who we talked to, he had this car sitting in front of his place, and a drunk hit it and kind of sideswiped it. Not in a good spot. Hit it right in the hinge. So that's bad. It has some rust. It's got some odd rust, like rust under the moldings. So it's kind of weird. But I don't know if this door is open. Oh man. Okay, the door's open, but this door has been shoved back into that door. So I guess this thing was hit and just pushed here, because that's no good. So let's see, go around the other door. And I guess they only made this Cougar wagon for 1 year, 1977. There's the old Cougar logo. There it is. And I think she was on the road in 91. The tailgate has some weight reduction issues, as does the this side of the moldings. So I don't know. It's not horrible. We got a little hole in a quarter, but I mean, they're not horrible. We don't know how the floors are. There goes my glasses. And how the frame is, but she's got the factory hubcap on that side. Wire wheel. Ooh, hear the buzzing of stinging creatures already. But like I said, had the door open before. Some kind of a earthy kind of thing, smell and growth in here. But there's no keys. He says he has the keys. So I guess we're going to chop down some trees and see if we get the old girl out of here. I did open the hood before, and we'll open it once we get these trees down. I'm going to open up some more stuff here, but I believe it has a 351 400 modified. It's a Smogger motor, 70s motor. I think they were based on the 351 Cleveland, and then just took it and made it bad. They put it in the pickup trucks and stuff. So, I don't know. There's only, I believe, 1,800 of these cars. No, take that back. 5,000 of these cars made without the Griswold wood side paneling. Most of these, I forgot what they called it, but they had the wood paneling kit on them with the trim and the ugly and stuff. This one's just white. I hate white cars. I own like 4 of them, but I don't know. Let's just get her yorked out and see what she looks like once she comes out of the trees. We got enough of the trees cut down. Hopefully we can pull it out. Got the tow truck here because it's hot out, and these are like holly trees and stuff, so they're thorny, and we don't need to take them down. I ain't taking them down. Check this out. This thing has grown right into the bumper. It's pretty cool. I cut it out. Hopefully that'll stay. But it's hit a lot harder than I thought it was on this side. So we're going to drag it out. We're looking for the keys. Neutral would be nice because it's got 4 flat tires. So I don't know. We'll get it up. See what's behind the trees.
Might be something.
Might be something. It turns out the keys we thought were for the car are not for the car. So, give you a little bit more of a pain. The steering wheel's locked, and the wheels are turned, so that's not good. It looks like that tire's digging into the fender anyways. You got the hood open. It's a bird's nest in here. That'd explain the snake skin. So, I don't know. Let's drag it up there so we can get it out of here. I gotta cut this tree down. It's right into the side of the car. I don't know. Yeah. Looking all right. Oh! Oh! You're gonna hook the bumper against the tree. See, the bumper's got on the tree. We got to move the back end over some. All right, so now to miss the tree, we're going to hook chain to my truck. We're just going to try and slide the car like a half a foot towards me. So, see if this works.
It'll go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Ain't gonna do it. Good. Good. Perfect.
Oh! Gonna try and straighten it out. There you go. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Yeah, it'll just make it, I think. So there's where that tree was growing in. That's crazy. Pretty cool though. Boy, it's a shame this thing got hit. It really is. It's a shame this thing got hit. Should have been 32 years it's been sitting. Well, there you have it. Another one rescued. Is it worth saving? I don't know. Put it down there in the comments. Let me know what you think. We might try and get it started, but even after we get it started, if we do, is it worth saving? Is it a demo derby car? Is it a parts car? You know, they didn't build very many of them. So give me your input. It is for sale. So if you're interested in it, I'll put my email down here. You can contact me and get some info on it. But like I said, you hate to see them go to the crusher. So if you guys like videos like this, please subscribe. I got some other stuff going on in my shop, and check on back. Maybe we'll have it running. We'll see you later, man. Bye.